Hi, this is Chinmayi. Today on the channel, I am delving into my baking skills. I have forgotten about it a while ago, but today I am making an egg-free mango cheesecake. So let me take you right in. So we have about 200 grams of graham crackers. So you can use any nice unflavored biscuit. We are using about 1/4 cup of granulated sugar and about 150 grams of butter. So since I don't really have a mixing bowl, I'm just going to hand mix this in a 10-inch baking pan. I would have ideally done this on my stand mixer. So just combine all of this. So this will go into an oven for about 12 minutes at 350 degrees Celsius, and we shall now prepare the filling. We'll set this aside now. So this is 3 tablespoons of cornstarch mixed in 3 tablespoons of water. So we'll set this aside once we have given this a mix. I'm not running my whisk in this, I'm just mixing this with my existing mix. That's all. We'll set this aside now. So after 12 minutes of baking, the crust is going to look like this. I'm going to set this aside while we prepare the filling. So this recipe calls for about 4 eggs. I'm just going to be, 1 teaspoon of egg replacer replaces 1 egg. So this is 4 teaspoons. We shall now be adding 8 tablespoons of water. We'll just quickly beat this up. Place this aside. We shall now take a large bowl. We are putting in about 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and I'm just going to cut this up a little bit. That's about 600 grams of cream cheese. We will give this a good whisk. Now we are now adding the sour cream. This is about 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, and now we'll incorporate the cornstarch mixture. Make sure that it's fully mixed. So that was that. This is a baked cheesecake recipe. There are no bake cheesecake recipes available on the internet which are also egg-free versions if you have either allergies or you don't want to have eggs in your cakes or cheesecakes. So until I see you in my next video where I either speak about beauty or skincare or something else, this is Chinmayi saying bye-bye.